Welcome to our tutorial on embedding YouTube videos in Google Slides. Videos can add depth and engagement to your presentations. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. 1. Get the YouTube video URL, open YouTube and find the video you want to include. Click on the video URL in the address bar and press Ctrl+C to copy it. 2. Open your Google Slides presentation. Launch Google Slides and open the presentation where you want to embed the video. 3. Insert the video. Select the slide where you want to add the video. Go to the menu bar and choose Insert Video. In the Insert Video window, click the By URL tab. 4. Paste the YouTube URL. Click the Paste YouTube URL here field and paste the video link. Ctrl+V. Confirm that the preview shows the correct video. Click Select to embed the video. 5. Customize playback options. Resize the video on the slide as needed. Use the Format Options sidebar to control playback. Choose when the video plays, on click, automatically, or manually. Set start and end times for specific segments. Mute the audio if desired. 6. Test your presentation. Click the video during editing, present button, to ensure it works. Test it again when sharing the presentation, share button. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.